Why do foodies rave about Gordon Ramsay's omelettes? Stick around and we'll show you why. First, fire up 2 non-stick skillets over medium-high heat. Drizzle a bit of oil in one pan, then toss in sliced shallots, garlic and hen of the woods mushrooms. Season with a pinch of red pepper flakes for that Ramsay kick. Add a couple pinches of butter, swirl and let it all caramelize. Meanwhile, whisk up 4 eggs in a bowl. Now add that lightly blanched crawfish meat to your veggie mix. In the other skillet, melt 2 tablespoons of butter until it's foamy. Pour in the whisked eggs, seasoned with salt and pepper. Rapidly swirl and shake the pan while stirring with a spatula. Flatten out the eggs once they start to cook. Grate a generous amount of yellow branch tomato basil cheese over the eggs, sir. Spoon the crawfish mixture down the center, scatter some scallions, and get ready to fold. Tilt the pan, fold the sides of the eggs over the crawfish mix, and flip that omelette onto your plate. Grate more cheese on top, add a few scallion slices, and voila, there you have it. A Smoky Mountain Cheesy Crawfish Omelette, Gordon Ramsay style. Dig in and enjoy.